Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. To the channel. In today's video guys, we'll work here on a Ford Focus Mk3 generation 2012, 2017, 18 and if you're trying to find the fuse for the power mirrors, we'll show you where to find that thing today guys. Now if you have the super loaded one like what they call the titanium or SEL, you might have a different fuse and we'll have the video on the channel as well. But if you just have the regular Ford Focus, stay with us and we'll show you how to find the fuse for the power mirrors. So if your power mirrors do not work, always check that fuse. In addition guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please subscribe to the channel for more videos and hopefully the video will be helpful and the channel will save you quite a bit of money guys in the long run. So now we need to open the hood and we need to locate the fuse box. This one right here. You need to remove the cap. There is a thing that you press in here and you pull up. Okay, and fuse box is coming out. We need to locate fuse number F25 on the back side of the cover. Okay, you have to hold it this way. You see fuse number 25 is this one here. So in our case it's a 10 amp fuse. So if I get the puller now, there is one tooth here that we need to press out. Okay, and just pull it out now. 25 is this fuse here. In our case it's a 10 amp fuse. And I'm going to go ahead and pull it out. Okay, you have to press like that, go on top of the fuse and then press on the bottom and pull out. Okay, this is guys your fuse. Now 95% of the time you can tell if it's burned by just looking at it. There will be like a hole or black on that metal element inside. In some cases you will not be able to see it so good, so I'll recommend to use a voltmeter. Okay, so we can double check that. We're going to set it to continuity, and if the fuse is not burnt, it will say that our thing will go to 0. It's like touching these two LEDs together. If it's blown, you'll be like there is no communication, you'll stay at 1. So in our case, I just touch one end of the fuse with one LED, the other one here, check it out, 0. So that's perfect guys. Fuse is in good condition. So this is the fuse for the power mirrors. We have quite a few videos guys, so please subscribe to the channel. All we have to do after that, just push it in. Okay, super simple. Just align everything. He needs to make sure that it goes in without much force, otherwise it's not where it's supposed to be. Okay, perfect. Thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.